thank you for stopping by. Ines Miller here. I want to show you the results of this wall fish that I created, made with a slab, a very thick slab, some carving, and pressure through a big thick foam. I hope you like it. Come and join me. It's a plaque made of a slab. The slab was really thick. I left it around 2.5 to 2 inches thick. And what I do is I place this slab once that the air bubbles, everything is smooth and everything. I place it in a thick foam, and then I put some pressure on the relief, on the puffiness that I'm gonna want the design to have. In this particular case, it was my fish belly, the face, big cheeks, the fins. And then I carved the rest carefully. I also added few little extra clay hooks so I can put some wire and fasten it so I can hang it and display it on the wall. After that, I add some oxides and slips. The pink, blue, and yellow slips. And the only thing after the first fire, the yellowish kind of became very, very pale. The pink was okay on the lips, but I noticed the fins, and it was only a very light brush. If I would have done it like a 3 coats, as I normally do with the glazes, that would have been fine, as you can see on the blue colors. But other than that, I mean, I can add more slip and then refire it, but at this time I'm happy with the results. It was just a test, and hope this is useful for you. And remember to live a creative life. Thank you for stopping by. Like and subscribe. Let me know your comments. Bye bye for now.